Hello and welcome to the session. My name is Mansi and I'm going to help you with the following question. The question says complete the following table. For example, first of all in the first column we are given the shape. First is equilateral triangle, then we are given the rough figure. So first of all we make an equilateral triangle here and then we have to find the number of lines of symmetry. So in this equilateral triangle we see that there are 3 lines of symmetry, that is 1, 2 and 3, because if we fold this as per the dotted line, then we see that one half of the triangle gets fit into the other half of the triangle. So 3 of them are the lines of symmetry. So we write down here how many lines of symmetry we have, and so on we have to tell for square, rectangle, isosceles triangle, rhombus and circle. So now we have to find it for square. We have to find the number of lines of symmetry for a square. First of all, let us draw a rough figure here. So we see that this is a rough figure of a square. Now we have to find the lines of symmetry. Now we see that the first line of symmetry would be like this. That is the vertical line of symmetry. Another line of symmetry would be the horizontal line of symmetry. Third would be diagonally. And fourth would be the other diagonal. Now we see that if we fold this figure along these dotted lines, then one half of the figure fits exactly over the other half of the figure. So in this question we have 4 lines of symmetry. So this is our answer to the second part, that is to the square. Now next is rectangle. We see that this is the rough figure for a rectangle. Now we have to find the number of lines of symmetry. So the first line of symmetry is the horizontal line of symmetry, and second is the vertical. So we see that in this part we have 2 lines of symmetries. Now the next part is the isosceles triangle. This is a rough figure for an isosceles triangle, and we see that there is just 1 line of symmetry, that is this. So our answer to this part is 1. Next is a rhombus. This is a rough figure for a rhombus. Now let us find out the numbers of line of symmetry for a rhombus. Now in a rhombus we have 2 lines of symmetry, that is along the 2 diagonals. One is this and one is this. Because if we fold this rhombus along with these dotted lines, then we see that one half of the rhombus fits exactly over the other half. So our answer to the rhombus is that there are 2 lines of symmetry in a rhombus. The last part is the circle. Now this is the rough figure for a circle. Now let us find out the numbers of line of symmetry. Let this be the center of the circle. So the first line of symmetry will be this. Also we can have another line of symmetry like this, like this, like this, and so on. We will have countless lines of symmetry for a circle. So our answer to this part is that we have countless lines of symmetries for a circle. Now this was our answer to the question. I hope that you understood the question and enjoyed the session. Have a good day.